Alright guys, box break number 48. For the late night crowd, after midnight in half of the country. I'll give it a few minutes for people to find us. This is 2016 Leaf Limited. I'm sorry, Panini Limited. I was rewinding a handful of years. Let me check up on the comments real quick. Alright, live now. Let me fix these links. So tired of eBay. Well, that's why you're on Facebook, buddy. Sorry, I was reading a post in the main thread. I like Facebook a lot better than I do eBay. Football is dead. That guy just said football is dead. Football ain't dead. Breakers. Alright guys, I'm sorry. Did I bring the teams over? I meant to. There's your teams. Let's get going. 2016 Panini Limited. Screen froze, or was that just me not doing anything? Anybody else have a screen froze issue? Give me a thumbs up if we're good. That's what I'm thinking, Matthew. I love football all year round. It seems like this is a football group. And that might change here. Baseball just started up. Still spring training. We'll see. I'm with you, Nathan. I got kids now. Weekends are just another day. I don't do the party and stuff. I'll party at home. Mario basketball, huh? Sometimes basketball breaks seem to feel a little slower in here. Basketball just doesn't seem as popular all around in card collecting. I like college basketball personally. Because we don't have a pro team in Kansas City. Alright, let's go. There we go. Chad, who else you got? Like 49ers, Bills, Dolphins, Chargers maybe? That's my guess there. Blake Bortles, Jaguars. These cards are all thick. All the base cards. Terrence West, Ravens. First hit. Byron Marshall, autograph for the Eagles. Rookie card numbered 299. Byron Marshall. Let me sleeve that. Pull you a Manning autograph. I'll see what I can do. I'm going to put some magic and we're going to pull a big autograph. Steve Smith, Senior, Ravens. Trevor Siemian, Broncos. I can't promise who, though. I don't cheer for anybody in specific. I just cheer for something big. I want to see you guys light up with excitement. I want to light up with excitement. We've been pulling some cool ones lately. Brandon Cook, Saints. C.J. Anderson, Broncos. Looks like we got a patch auto. DeAndre Washington, rookie patch autograph. Numbered to 299 for the Raiders. You know, that one is actually kind of a nice one, I think. Because Brad Parson has been trying to get the Raiders. I believe he got the Raiders this time. He's been trying to get the Raiders a lot. So that's a good card for a person that deserved it. Not that no one else deserves it too. Antonio Brown of Pittsburgh Steelers. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Ephraim, the Washington. Is that what you're interested in? I don't know if you're going to get it from Brad Parson. He's a big Raiders fan. So we got a big patch coming up. A big, thick card. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. Dez Bryant, Cowboys. This one is numbered to 99. Save our last hit for last here. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Sammy Watkins, Bills. And final card is a really big patch of Wendell Smallwood. Good patch there. Some good rookies in this box. This one is numbered to 99. Huge patch there, Eagles. Rewind the hits. Eagles, Wendell Smallwood, DeAndre Washington, jersey patch auto. Rookie auto patch. You call it an RPA, Chad. I haven't heard that term. Number to 299. Sweet card. Byron Marshall. Autograph. Number to 99. As I'm going to post one more cheap one. I'm curious who's up late. And that's going to put us at break 49. I am currently trying to figure out plans for break number 50. You guys deserve something special. 50 breaks in the room you put up with me. So I'm going to give you something special. Not next break, but the break after. But keep your eyes out here in a minute.